Hey guys, this is Heather. I've got another recipe for you today from the College Vegan Cookbook, my new cookbook. You can find details about it at the link down below. Anyway, today we are gonna make some banana bread because it's so yummy. It's really quite easy. I used to bake all the time with my mom, so this is kind of exactly like a recipe that we would have made back then, just with vegan ingredients. So let's get started by preheating our oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. And I've got a loaf pan. I've just rubbed coconut oil inside to grease it, make it non-stick. So starting with bananas, and mine were frozen, so I had to thaw them a bit, and then I put them in the blender until they were chunky. But if you're using fresh, ripe bananas, just mash them until they're kind of like this consistency. And then we've got coconut oil or vegan margarine. I'm actually using some vegan margarine because there's a better price in the store than coconut oil, and it gives a really nice flavor to banana bread. And then some unrefined or brown sugar. I like coconut, that's my favorite. Some non-dairy milk. I'm using oat. Best if you use unsweetened, but it doesn't really matter. You could just use a little bit less sugar. Ground flaxseed instead of eggs. And yes, we could make a flax egg, or we can just mix it into the batter. Baking powder, baking soda, a little bit of apple cider vinegar. And my margarine does have some salt in it, so I'm not going to add any, but if you were using coconut oil or an unsalted margarine, then just add a little pinch of salt. Okay, so stir that all until it's nice and combined. And then all that's left to add is some flour. So you can use all-purpose if you want. You can use spelt flour. This is white whole wheat, which is cool because it acts just like white flour, but it is whole wheat. So just mix that together until it's just combined. Don't overmix it. It's just like muffins. It'll go stiff if you mix it too much. And I believe our oven is preheated, so we can just get ready and pop this right in. And we'll just pour this into our loaf pan and just spread it out. You could toss some walnuts in here, that would be delicious. And then we're just gonna pop that in the oven for 40 to 50 minutes. Takes a while because it's a big loaf. You could also do this as muffins. It would take a little less time to bake. All right, check that out. So we just want to run a knife around it, make sure it's not sticking. And then you just want to tip it out and flip it over. Yum. It's very hot right now. It really should cool for a few minutes and then keep slicing it. But how beautiful is that? So yummy. Hope you guys enjoy it. Another recipe out of College Vegan Cookbook. You can find all the details about the book down below. You can pre-order it right now, and it's available on Kindle right now. So hope you enjoy that. You guys have been getting lots of recipes from this book lately. I've got one more coming for you next week, and I have lots of friends who are sharing some recipes around the web and also doing some giveaways. So if you haven't caught up on that, check my social media. You can figure out where all of those giveaways and recipes are happening. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you soon. Bye guys.
Vegan, yeah.